about, what it was that went through your minds when you realized that you were going to be doing a limited edition sort of, collaboration with Magnum. Malaika, can we start with you? What was the first thing that went through your mind?
I said, wow, I'm going to get a lifelong supply of Magnum ice cream. That was certainly the first thought that went through my mind. Come on, who hasn't enjoyed a stick of Magnum at some point and let that drip all over themselves? So yes, I'm no less. I'm a complete Magnum fan. I've always been a Magnum fan. So it really is a win-win because you have Magnum and the label Life collaborating. I think I couldn't have asked for better.
Now, when you think about your part in the collection, what is it that you feel you brought that was specifically you?
I think that there is a little bit of everybody in the collection. I think each one of us stands for something. Each one of us attributes certain qualities, and whether it's being fierce, whether it's being bold, whether it's being confident, it's just women of today. And I think each one of us reflect those attributes, and I say it with full conviction. So it's not like just me bringing something to the table. Everybody brings something to the table. There's a whole team that works endlessly and tirelessly, and they all bring something to the table.
One final question for you, Malaika. Which of the three beasts are you?
What if I tell you I'm a mix of all three beasts? There's a little bit of beast in all of us, right?
Travel, food, attitude. Remember, okay, that's what an answer's supposed to sound like. Yeah, that's it. Bipasha, let me ask you. Again, what was the first thing that went through your mind, aside from having a lifetime supply of Magnums?
Well, I did ask for it. I demanded it at the shoot. Actually, I said my husband won't let me shoot if I don't take Magnum back home, and they were very gracious to send us so much ice cream that my niece, nephew, and everyone was very, very happy.
We're still enjoying that party.
Yeah, yeah. So there was a big party
hint.
at home. Yeah, and it needs to continue. Yes. Yeah, it's Magnum has done such fantastic work in the field of fashion internationally, and to have us on board, and we knew that it's going to look fantastic, and we had to come out with a collection that is going to be fierce, that is going to empower all the women who are our consumers, and that was the idea. So we wanted to work on a collection that's going to be exciting, sexy, fierce, which makes women look confident, a little edgy. They want to come out of their comfort zone and dress a little different. And we did that. We all are very happy with the collection. And I hope that many, many associations like this keep happening for us. The team, the labellive.com, all of us work really hard, especially the girls, Preeta and team. Really, they are fantastic. We have been, they are the dream team. We have been together for years now. And there's total confidence in them. And I think that happens when you have consumers. You have women loving our products. So yes, thank you, all the women out there who visit us and keep visiting us and enjoy this collection. It's going to be super fab.
One more question about your personal style. How would you describe yourself from a style standpoint?
Well, I'm a Bengali feisty woman. What do you say about me? You know Bengali women, how they are. Well, a little bit of that has gone into the collection for sure. Yes, I am fierce in my own way. Yes, we are talking about the beasts. My beast is Panther. So regal, proud, fierce, very, very fierce, intense, all of it is me. And every bit of the collection, it's not for one particular woman. It's for all of us, everyone out here. So everyone will enjoy it. Yeah.
Suzanne, thank you for being with us. Again, the same question going to you. What was the first thing that went through your mind when you found out about this collaboration?
I think it was just cool to be connected with Magnum because like she says, like both of them say, Magnum is like an all-time favorite, since many years. And then to make the ice cream and to convert it into this bold, styling, towards a collection. I think just the entire thing sounded so exciting, and then we just put our thinking caps on and we wanted to create something that would be that exciting, and I think that's what we are here today. So it shows.
And how would you describe your style?
I think that I am more relaxed in my sense of styling, and I put comfort a little bit above trend, and I also like to be very kind of like unkept. You know, it shouldn't be too polished. So I think that that's a kind of like wild little bit. You keep the whole you stick with the theme. So I mean I think that the collection that we have brought out has a bit of the bold prints. It has the asymmetrical dress lines and it just the whole kind of mixing of the wild with the whole safari lodge kind of zone, and I think that that's what it's good for every kind of girl. So, yeah.
All right. Well, would you ladies